Did I film an entire video with my mic off? Yes, I did. Hello everyone and welcome to Vegan Region. My name is V. I love a lot of vegan things, but mainly food. So for today's video, I thought I would show you how to make the most amazing banana bread. And it's so simple. I've been making this banana bread for the last 5 years, I want to say, and every single time it has come out banging. This recipe is one of the easiest recipes to follow, and I just think it comes out so delicious every single time. It's one of those ones that you can rely on, whether it's a sunny day, whether it's a cold day, whether it's I need a snack day, any day you can rely on this recipe. It will never fail you. Now, I know you're traditionally supposed to bake banana bread in a loaf baking tin, but I don't have one. You would think by now, for the amount of times that I make banana bread, I would have a loaf baking tin, but I still don't.
Pull yourself together!
And somehow this is just my life and that's how I live.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
I like to call them banana bread cups, but that's completely irrelevant because it's all about the taste. I'm going to be making a very basic version of this recipe and just sprinkling a little something on top, but obviously feel free to add in chocolate, nuts, and whatever else you like to add into your banana bread too. Okay, let's get on into the video.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I love this banana bread. I would have loved to do a taste test, but in all honesty, I baked it and the next day she was gone. Like, banana bread, who? We didn't know her, she didn't exist. It's a myth, it's a lie. I ate all of it.
I'm not even sorry.
I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. I'm doing my subscriber dance. Subscribe. You know you want to. I really wish I could dance, but I can't. Okay, please subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.